Good morning. I'm on my way to work. My work time is from 7 to 3:30. 7 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. And today I'm going to meet my friend there. So I'm almost there. I'm entering the town. Almost. But anyway. Grabe. Kakalabas. Well, actually, hindi ko lang kakalabas ng work. I went grocery shopping after ko sa work. Grabe. Pumasok ako sa trabaho. Naka-lipstick. Paglabas ko, wala ng lipstick. Wala pa yan ha. Hindi pa talaga ito yung totoong work. Training room pa lang ako. Nag-exam. Puro exams pa. So, yun. Saan ba ako dadaan? Sa main town or sa back road? Parang feel ko ang back road. Back road na lang. Back road na nga lang ako. Mas feel ko back road. Siguro mas maraming traffic dito kasi maraming labasan ng trabaho. Tapos, anong tawag dito? Daming stoplights, traffic lights. So, ayan.